How to say there was a strong attack on the leader in an advanced way. In advanced, it would be there was a virulent attack on the leader. Virulent also means the strong form of the virus. The other synonyms, words or phrases that can be used in place of virulent are toxic, venomous, noxious, lethal, fatal attack, life-threatening attack on the leader. Also means pernicious, vitriolic, acrimonious, savage attack on the leader. The second is something related to contradiction. The basic is the statement of the witness contradicted to the evidence. The same in advanced would be the statement of the witness controverted the evidence. The other words and phrases in place of contradiction would be in dispute. The statement of the witness was in dispute with the evidence or in contention with the evidence. It was at odds with the evidence. There was a clash or disaccord. The third is, I want to say, the employee was in a dispute or in a disagreement with the boss. The same in advanced would be the employee was at loggerheads with his boss. At loggerheads would also mean he was at odds with his boss. He was at variance. He has been at daggers with his boss. He has been locking horns with his boss. There is a fallout between the employee and the boss. There is an altercation between them. There is a discordance. Thank you.